What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. The way your skin looks plays a very important role for your overall attractiveness. If it looks greasy and is full of pimples, it will unfortunately make you look less hygienic and therefore less attractive as well. And that's why every man should prioritize his skincare routine, so that he can feel and look his best. And of course, it will also make him stay handsome even when he gets older. And that is also the reason why I created today's video, to simply show you the best skincare tools that you can implement into your skincare routine so you can always look your best. So if you want to upgrade your skincare routine, definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we're going to start directly with the video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below and become part of our family of men who are striving to become our best version possible. Simply make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Alright, before I talk too much, let's hop into the video. Let's start with skincare tool number 1, a face sauna, also known as a face steam bath. Honestly, this is one of my favorite products out there. What it does is simply producing steam out of water, and therefore it can unclog your pores. So in the end, it will help you to get rid of particles and dirt on your face. It is one of the best skincare tools to get clear skin by simply preventing and treating pimples. Of course, I will also link you the product down in the description below so you can directly check it out. Alright, let's continue with number 2, a Blackhead Remover. If you struggle oftentimes with blackheads on your nose, this is definitely your tool. What it does is simply vacuum the blackhead and therefore absorbing the talc and the dirt that is causing the blackhead. It works amazing and costs only 15 to 20 bucks, so it is definitely worth trying out. The link is in the description below. Number 3, a skin scrubber. If you don't want to always spend money on a good exfoliator, you can also do a one-time investment in a skin scrubber. A skin scrubber simply helps you to get rid of old skin cells and make space for new ones. It helps you to perfectly deep cleanse your face with no effort at all. And in my opinion, it is also way more convenient to use than a regular exfoliator, simply because it makes no mess. So if you want to save some money and still look your best, definitely invest in a skin scrubber. Number 4, a vitamin C serum. I mostly recommend to use a serum instead of a cream because it is simply way better for almost every man's skin. It is lighter on your skin, it lets your skin breathe, which is really important if you struggle with, for example, oily skin. And on top of that, it also absorbs way better and quicker into your skin. I personally always recommend to use a vitamin C serum simply because it has the most benefits. It protects your skin against any damage and also prevents and treats pimples and blackheads as well. And besides that, vitamin C also provides your face with a natural glow. So after using it, your face will look more colorful and healthy as well. But very important, as with every skincare product, it is very important that you first of all check the ingredients before you buy it. And only buy a skincare product that is mostly made out of natural ingredients. I will link you my favorite vitamin C serum in the bio below. Number 5, a face brush. Also an incredible tool to exfoliate your skin. You can either buy a cheap manual version of it or an electric one that will rotate. Both do an incredible job, while I think the electric one is even more efficient to exfoliate your skin. So if you want to upgrade your exfoliating routine to the next level, definitely grab a face brush. Number 6, a stone roller to massage your face. It is actually a very trending product right now, and it is said to improve the blood flow of your face. And therefore it can help you to treat and prevent wrinkles and helps you to get an overall better skin as well. I personally haven't tried it out so far, but you can see from all the positive reviews on, for example, Amazon, that it is definitely worth trying out. You can already get it for 10 to 15 bucks and it will definitely last a very long time. And last but not least, number 7, a Blackhead Toolkit. Again, if you struggle oftentimes with blackheads, it definitely makes sense to get some tools against it. Simply because blackheads mostly take a very long time to disappear on its own. With this Blackhead toolkit, you basically got several tools that you can use to treat any kind of blackheads on your nose or face. I personally used it a lot when I was younger and I can definitely recommend it. And one bonus advice, do a steam bath before you use those tools to simply improve the effect. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. All the products are linked in the description below, so definitely make sure to check them out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.